Division of rational numbers, fraction. So today we are going to learn how to divide rational numbers, which are the fractions. And last time we have learned how to add, subtract, and multiply a fraction. So now, in division of rational numbers for fraction, we have here the steps. First, we write any mixed numbers as improper fractions. Second, we multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. And lastly, we're going to simplify if needed. So in step number 2, in multiplying the dividend is the first fraction. So let's see this example. The dividend is the first fraction and the divisor is the second fraction. So what are we going to do is to reciprocal the divisor. Okay, so to apply these steps in division of rational numbers for fraction, let's have this example number 1. For our example number 1, first, identify if meron po tayong mixed fraction or mixed numbers. If wala po tayong mixed numbers na i-transform into improper fraction, then we can proceed with our second step. Okay, so divide the dividend to our divisor. So what are we going to do is meron po tayong steps na kung saan ito po yung tinatawag nating keep, change, and flip. Okay? So, gawin po natin itong keep, change, and flip. Keep po natin si first fraction. So, si first fraction ang ikikip po natin. So, we have 1/2. Then, change po natin si division into multiplication. So, times. And flip po natin si second fraction. So, ibig sabihin, we reciprocal. So, pag sinabi reciprocal, si numerator magiging denominator, si denominator magiging numerator. So, therefore, it becomes 2/1. So, now we can easily multiply. So, when multiplying, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Therefore, 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So, we have 2/2. So, for the third step, it says simplify if needed. So, let's see if we can simplify. So, 2/2 can be simplified. So, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So, our answer is 1. Okay, so next example, we have 4/6 or 4/6 divided by 1/3. So first, keep si 4/6, change, si division becomes multiplication, and then 1/3 flip. So flip po tayo, then becomes 3/1. So ibig sabihin, we reciprocal. We flip the 1/3. Now, let's proceed with multiplication. 4 times 3 is 12. And 6 times 1 is 6. Now, let's solve and simplify. So, 12 divided by 6. So, yung 12 hahatiin natin sa 6. So, that is 2. So, the answer is 2. Okay? Now, let's proceed with number 3. Example number 3. So, for the example number 3, we are going to keep si 3/5. So, 3/5. Then, change. Si division magiging multiplication. Then, flip si 1/6. So, si 1/6 becomes 6/1. Then, proceed with multiplication. 3 times 6 is 18. And 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Now, what kind of fraction is this? This is improper fraction. So, if it is improper fraction, then what are we going to do is to divide 18/5 so that we can get the mixed number. So, now let's proceed. 18 divided by 5 is 3 and 3/5. Okay? So, we have 3 and 3/5. So, how to check? We multiply 5 times 3, that is 15, plus 3, that is 18. So, equal po siya sa numerator natin na 18. Then, copy the denominator, 5. So, therefore, the simplified form is 3 and 3/5. Okay, now let's proceed with example number 4. So, for example number 4, we have 9/10 divided by 1/5. Therefore, we are going to keep 9/10. So, 9/10 or 9/10. Then, change into multiplication. Then, flip si 1/5, kaya magiging 5/1. Then, proceed with multiplication. 9 times 5 is equal kay 45. And 10 times 1 is equal kay 10. So, this is again improper fraction. Therefore, we need to simplify or transform it into mixed fraction. Greatest common factor po nila ay 5. Therefore, we divide the numerator and denominator by 5. So, 45 divided by 5, that is 9. And 10 divided by 5, that is 2. So, we have 9/2. So, we need to transform it into mixed fraction. So, when we transform it into mixed fraction, 9 divided by 2, so we have 4 and 1/2. So, this is our final answer or the simplified form. Okay, so now let's proceed with example number 5. For the example number 5, we can use cross multiplication. So, ibig sabihin, instead of changing the sign or the division sign and flipping the second fraction, then we can go straight by cross multiplication. So, ibig sabihin, we can multiply this one, and that will be the numerator. The answer will be the numerator. And then, we multiply 5 and 2, and the answer will be the denominator. So now let's start. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And 5 times 2, 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Okay, so therefore, our answer is 9/10. Is there any simplified form of 9/10? No. So therefore, this is our final answer. Okay, now let's proceed with the last example. For our last example, we have 7/10 divided by 2/5 is equal to, then we can proceed with cross multiplication. So we have 7 times 5 is equal to 35. And next is, we have 10 times 2 is equal 20. So now, can we simplify this? Yes. So get the common or greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor of 35 and 20 is 5. Therefore, we can divide 35 by 5. That is 7. And 25 divided by 5, that is 5. So now, let's proceed. 7 divided by 5, or 7/5, is improper fraction. Since it is improper fraction, then we can transform it into mixed fraction. So the answer is 1 and 2/5. So our answer is 1 and 2/5. So this is our simplified form. So I hope you learned how to divide a fraction.